Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about conversions of fractions, decimals, and percents. Just a friendly reminder, go ahead and press pause, play, rewind, fast forward, and do what you need to do at your own pace, okay? So let's talk about changing a fraction to a decimal. In order to change a fraction to a decimal, you're going to divide the numerator, which is that top number right here, by the denominator, which is that bottom number. This is something you should have learned back in probably like fifth grade. So we're going to take 3 and divide it by 5, and you should get zero point 0.6. That is all you have to do to change a fraction to a decimal. For a percent, to change a fraction to a percent, first we're going to change it to a decimal so it's easier to do, and then move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. Or you can change it to a decimal and then multiply the decimal by 100. Remember what cent means? So cent meaning 100 and per meaning 1. So 1 over 100 is what a percent is. With that being said, I just, like I said, I can do this. I can change my fraction into a decimal, and I have 0.6. We're going to use the same one as we used earlier. Move it 2 places to the right. Move it 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Add on my 0, and now I have 60%. Just throw my percent sign on there. Or I can do the 0.6, which I have as my decimal, and multiply it by 100 because we know that percent means per 100, and I get 60, and just add on my percent sign. In order to change a decimal to a fraction, you're going to take that decimal and put it over the number 1. Then we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 100. So I have 0.25 over 1, 0.25, 0.25 times 100 is 25. 1 times 100 is 100. And then I'm going to simplify my fraction. So we're going to find the least common multiple of both of them, which is 5. I'm sorry, not the least common multiple, the greatest common factor between the both of them, which is going to be 5. So I'm going to take whatever number I use at the top, remember I do to the bottom, take 5, divide both top and the bottom by 5, and I have 5 over 20. And then I can do that one more time, and 1 over 4, okay? And from percents to decimals, in order to change a percent to a decimal, you need to take the decimal point and the decimal and move it 2 places to the left, or you can divide it by 100. So you're just doing the opposite of what you would do to change a decimal to a percent. So I have 70%. We know if we don't see our decimal point, we can automatically assume that it's right here at the back, right? I'm going to take that, move it 2 places to the left. 1, 2. My new decimal point is here. And now I have 0.70. Or I can do 0.70 divided by 100 and get, I'm sorry, that shouldn't have said 0.70. That should say 70%. Or I could do 70% and divide that by 100 and get 0.70. Okay, sorry for this little typo. This typo should be a 70. It should be your 70 divided by 100 and you get 0.70. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me via Google or Schoology. Also, you can tap into our office hours if you have any questions, okay? All right, you guys have a good day.